is this? I don't know. I may get lots of poor responses. I don't know whether. Because I'm giving my best. I don't know whether you don't understand the class or you don't. I'm not teaching well. I don't know. But according to me, I'm giving my best. So that every day I'll ask you why, because if you don't understand now, you will not understand. If you don't understand today's class, you will be not getting to know what the class I'm telling in the next day. You will not follow it. That's why I'll always ask you, are you getting my point or not? That's one kind of feedback I'm taking from you every day. But you guys will not respond anything to that. How many feels I'm teaching good? No one? Alright. Let's get into class. At least one person is understanding my class. Alright. Thanks, ma'am. Guys, I'm telling you again and again, just tell me whenever you don't understand anything. If you ask me, I can repeat it again. Not only once, or it may be twice or thrice. Because if you're learning one concept, that should be perfect. Right? You should be perfect. That's why I'm telling you to ask any doubts if you have any doubts. In the middle also I'm asking you whether you are getting any doubts or any kind of any suggestions for me. Like you will be finding, right? If ma'am said like this, I'll be learning something. That kind of thing you can tell me, because we have left only with 10 to 15 days of class, I think. Right? So after that, no one will be asking you regarding these kind of things. Everyone will come and teach you and they'll go simply. And no one will be there to clear your doubts regarding these kind of topics, because most of the people will never go that deep. I think so. But I'm not telling you that I'm only teaching all this, but most of the people, I'm telling you. Let's go with NumPy now. Just a minute, guys. It's raining, right? Might be today holiday to you, I think. I'm disturbing your holiday mood. By the end of the session, we'll be interacting with each other. like not by today's class, but by the last class. We'll be interacting with each other through our virtually, like I mean on camera with turning on with videos. I think no one will be turning their videos on at that time when I ask you, but please try to do that so that we can at last we can be having good interaction. Where is this file? Let me see, let me check. Yeah, it is here. This concept is over, right? View, umpire array shape, array reshaping, reshaping. Joining numpy arrays. It's nothing but we did this in list concept. Joining means putting contents of two or more arrays in a single array. Just adding the contents of say different arrays into a single array. That is called as joining numpy arrays. In SQL, we join tables based on key, whereas in NumPy we join arrays by access. What we do in SQL, sequential query language or structured query language, we join tables based on a key. By basing on some kind of key, we will be joining the particular tables. Where in NumPy, we join arrays by axis, like x-axis, y-axis will be there, right? By using them, we'll be joining the arrays in NumPy. Let me increase the size of the letter so that you'll be getting to know. We pass a sequence of array that we want to join to the concatenate function along with the axis. If axis is not explicitly passed, it is taken as 0. What this statement is telling that we'll be passing a sequence of arrays like which we want to join by using concatenate function, that is multiplication function. We will be what we are doing, we'll be accessing the particular axis, we'll be getting through this process. The axis is not explicitly passed. If axis is not, if we don't say particular axis, it is taken as 0. Alright. If we don't provide some kind of axis, it will be taken as 0. So now, let us see this code. We just want to join two arrays. Import numpy as np. We have imported numpy where we have defined an array, that is array1 equals to np dot array, that is 1 2 3, where array2 equals to np dot array, that is 4 5 6. Array equals to np dot concatenate, where array1 comma array2. What we want to print array. So by concatenation we will be getting all the elements into a single array. Let's check this code. We'll add few more sets to it. Not only 2, we'll be joining 3 to 4 arrays. Okay. Guys, is my voice clear, audible? Guys, is my voice audible? Respond me, ma. Is my voice audible? Because it's raining, right? Due to some signal issue, will be having some signal issue, right? All right, ma. Thank you. All right, it's audible, right? If not, it is audible. Just ping me here. I'll be checking the connection. Okay. I want to execute this. So let's run this. Before running it, let's check the code. Guys, I got only 20 or some sort of 23, not more than 20 responses, but try to respond more. It will be very useful for me. Like to improve myself, I'll be using it. Don't blindly keep bad or some poor or that kind of things. Like it's up to you. If you don't like the class, you can. I never mind. But try to understand what I'm telling you. If not, if I told you many times, even now I'm telling you, if you don't understand, ask me how. You can ask me how many times I'll be repeating that many times. Okay, done. Let's run this code. Before running it, I'll be saving it to admit. So if I want more arrays to be added, I'll be adding array 3 to let me change the value. I'll be writing seven, and here I'm writing some sort of 9.0 comma 8 comma 3. Got it. I'm running this. Where it is defined as array 4 equals to before running this, we'll be taking a 3 . run this one. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 88, 97, 99, 9, 7.8, 3.34. Let's change this. We will provide some gap to this. Let's run this array. This is what we get printed. Array. Got it. We'll be getting such kind of array value. Alright. Now, if I want to print some 2D array, let's go with 2D array. What we are taking import number and NP same array1 equals to NP array which is consisting of 2D arrays. So we are adding 2D arrays here. Right. Array1 equals to numpy dot array where there is 1, 2 and 3, 4 we have taken values. Array2 equals to np dot array. That is 5, 6, 7, 8 is taken. Got it. Let's see this code. Let's run this code. I was not doing anything, I was just taking 2 arrays. Like that is 2D array. Let's run this. Is anything missing here? Why is it showing like this? Array1 and array2. Let's here. Let's see any indentation errors in that part. Let's check. Why it is showing? Alright. Why it is showing error? UF error it is showing. Let's check. Don't give specify any access, it is automatically taking 0. Let's run and see. Okay. Yes. You need a print statement, right? Enter. Print array. What we do? Print now. Let's run the values. Invalid syntax. Let's check. We have written everything right? Print array. I don't know why it is not running. Let's admit everyone. Why it is running so late? I expected you were fasting. Add. Alright. Let's check once again the whole coding. Import numpad np where array1 equals to np dot array. Array2 equals to np dot array. Array equals to np dot concatenation where array1 comma array2 comma access from. Guys, I'll be telling you this code the next day because it is having some sort of error. Let's join in. Alright. I'll be telling this code the next day. Let's get into this topic where join arrays using stack function. First, what is stack, ma? Why? What is stack, ma? Stack is nothing but it's a collection of elements where if we it will be storing some value by using stacks. Stacking is same as concatenation. The only difference is that stacking done along the new axis, where we can concatenate two or one day arrays. We also with the along with the second axis, which would result in putting them in one over the other in stack. The path sequence of arrays that we want to join to our along with this axis. If axis not explicitly passed is taken 0. Right. Stack is nothing but a container, like just like a variable is a container, but in variables will be having all the values. In stack will not accept every value. Now let's joining using it's using stack function. Stacking is same as concatenation. The only difference of stacking is done along with the new axis. On your axis, we'll be doing concatenation. Stacking. We can concatenate two 1D arrays along with the side with the second axis, which would result in putting them one over the other. Got it? What we have the code here. Let's run this. Open ideally, let's run this. Guys, try to do parallel to me. If you have laptops or desktop, try to do parallel to me. Guys, just hold on. Let's run this. You can see here it got printed as 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6. Why it got printed? Before getting into it, let's see this code. Input numpy as NP, where array 1 equals to, we have took numpy, we have imported numpy, where we have given an array value that is 1, 2, 3, where array 2 equals to numpy np dot array that is 4, 5, 6, where array equals to np dot stack array 1 and array 2. We took these two values and we have assigned them. It is similar to this stacking. Stacking is similar to this, guys. What it is? Just a minute, I'll tell you. Guys, is it audible? Where is that PPT? Joining of arrays is similar to joining of stack using stack functions. Alright. These are similar topics. By using this, we can make them look like a matrix. Got it? Even I think in our previous program we have missed only one thing, that is let's see that program again. It doesn't display anything. Why? We haven't written a print function or print statement. Print array1 or print array simply. We'll be running this, we'll be executing this. You can see here 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, 7, 8 got printed. Why? You can see here we have took two arrays, that is two 2D arrays, and we have concatenated them. So we'll be getting two sort of arrays, that is 2D array in like a matrix, in a matrix form. All right. This is how we get. Next, let's see one more thing. Array, where is this paper? Yeah. We have completed joining arrays using stack function. What is the difference between this and this is only we'll be using np.stack. In stack we have two kind of things, that is one is push and one is pop kind of things. So let's see this stacking along rows. NumPy provides a helper function, that is hstack, to stack along with rows, that is horizontally. VStack is nothing but vertically. We'll be stacking along with rows, right? That's why it is telling we by using horizontal, like that is hstack, will be doing this code. Will be like what it is. We'll be stacking along with the rows by using hstack. Same program, just no need of copying anything. Let's go with the same code where we have now this. Okay, before code also same, just we'll be adding only hstack here, because will not get printed in vertical order for this hstack. Let's run this. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is printed in same line. This is called horizontal stack. If I give restack here, let's run this. You can see here in vertical order we will be getting printed one by one, right? This is how we'll be getting. If we given horizontal stack, it will be written in the same array horizontally, that is in the form of row. In vertical way, it is written in the form of column. This is the difference between horizontal and vertical stack. Got it? Let me change the values, that is 7, 8. Let's run this. What will be getting? Do it shows an error? See, it has shown an error. Why? Because if the elements which we are gonna add should consist of same number of elements. If it consists of more than or less than elements, I mean more elements or less elements. If one set of array consists of 4 elements or 5 elements, if one other set of array consists of 2 or 3 elements, it will not consider, like compiler or interpreter will not consider this, right? It is not accepting the values. That's why we'll be getting that error. Next, start stacking along with columns. Even we have covered this, right? Let's go with one more example. Stacking along with height, that is depth. We'll be taking the function of stack as dstack. We'll be implementing in the above in this code only we'll be implementing even this. So you will be easily getting it. Right. Sorry, we thought it's a D stack, right? We'll be getting the height or the depth of the stack. You can see here. Depth and height is measured in the form of, that is kind of vertically, right? So we'll be getting 1 4 2 5 3 6. This is how it is, we can say the height of the stack. What is the height of the stack? It is a 3D. It's kind of 3D array, right? Next, NumPy splitting array. Splitting NumPy array. Splitting is reverse operation of join. Where we here in joining, what we did is we have arranged all the elements. Like we have combined all the elements and made one stack. In this splitting kind of thing, will be creating some different arrays by using splitting. We'll be creating subparts of arrays like that. Let's see, splitting is reverse operation to joining. Joining merges multiple arrays into one, and splitting breaks one array into multiple. Got it? In splitting, what happens? Splitting will breaks one array into multiple. We use array split. Got it? For splitting the arrays, we pass it the array we want to split and the number of splits. What we do is we'll be breaking the array by using array split. If I want to split the array into 3 parts, I'll be giving the number 3. If I want to split the array into 4 parts, is it possible to split the array in 4 parts? No, right? Because why it is not possible is like we don't have that many elements. If you want, let's try this. Sorry. This code. Array into. Is it possible? This is how it is possible. Like if we take one element, then it will be possible. In few situations, it will not be possible if arrays are if there are two different arrays, it will not be possible, right? If I want to split them into 6, so what happens? Array 1, array 2, array 3, it will take one element. If I want to split into 7, is it possible for 7? See what we have: array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4, array 5, array 6, where array of d type equals to in 32. What is in 32? D type is nothing but data type, where int 32 is 32 bytes of, it can hold 32 bytes of data. Alright. Next. If I take array value as 11, let's see what happens. Does it throws an error or not? See, it is not throwing any type of error. See this: array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4, array 5, array 6, where array d type equals to 32, array d type equals to 32, it is not raising any kind of error. It will be taking by default as d type equals to in 32, right? So next, if I take only into 0 arrays, we are just splitting there is nothing difficult in this, we are splitting them. See this: value error, we got value error. When we will get value error? When the number of section must be like, if the number which we gave is will not satisfy that criteria, then we'll be getting that particular value error. If I give 0 here, we got that value error. Got it? Because it will not for one array it is okay. If it doesn't split, there is no use of this splitting array option, right? Function, right? That's why it will not generate any kind of array or output. Let's see here. If the array has less elements than required, it will adjust from the end accordingly. Split the array in 4 parts. Import numpy as np. Already I have told you this kind of thing, right, just now. That's what it is. Let's see what it generates the output. See. Just now I have told you this. Okay. Next, splitting 2D arrays. How we can split the 2D array? Let's see this code. It will be interesting. Let's run this. I want to split this 2D array. See this. Array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. 2, 3 paths, right? One path, 2 path, 3 path. We have done it in this we are getting 2D array. Right. This is one array. 5, 6, 7, 8 is one array. 9, 10, 11, 12 is one different array. We got three paths. If we want to split into 4 paths, let's run this. We'll be using np.array underscore split to split these arrays. Got it? This is how it will be splitting the arrays. Next. Okay. Next, split the 2D array into 3 2D arrays. It is similar to what we have seen. Right. Next, NumPy searching array. What is searching of array? You can search an array for a certain value and return the indexes that get a match. In array, we can search for some certain value, and what we do is we'll be returning the index value of that particular number to get a match. Got it? To search an array, use the where method. By using where method, we can use some other method also. We'll be getting to know in further topics or further classes. We'll be using where method to search a particular array. Got it? Find the indices where the value is 4. Import numpy as np where array equals to np dot array. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4. In array we have the capability of we have that what it is. We have that facility to write duplicates. We can insert duplicate values in this arrays, just like list, where x equals to np dot where array equals to 4. Array should be equals to 4. So now what will be removed? The 4 values will be removed. Let's see this. I want the positions of that 4 values. See this code. This will be little tricky but interesting. Only note this output. I want to print X. Import numpy as np. Array equals to np dot array, that is 1 2 3 4 5 double 4 5 4 4, right? Where x equals to np dot where array is double equals to 4. Got it? Where np dot where array is double equals to 4. Where array values we are taking 4. So I want to print x. We'll be getting the index values of particular 4 digits, like 4 number. This 4 number is there, right? This and this. Will be getting the index value by using. I will be getting the index position of the particular values. Okay. We'll be running this. Array is 3 5 6. Is it correct or wrong? Just verify. 0 1 2 3. 4 5 6, right? What we got printed? 3 5 6. It's right, it's correct, right? And d type is in 64 because it consists of 64 bytes of, it is holding 65 bytes of data. Got it? This is how we'll be getting these values. If I change array value as 3, let me run this. See here, arrays in the array of 3 is in the second index position, that is data type equals to in 64. Got it? This is how we'll be writing this kind of programs. We'll be working with this NumPy. NumPy is mostly used in every concept at present, guys. Like scientifically, it is very useful. So we'll be continuing the other topics in the next day. All right, we'll be completing this NumPy by tomorrow, and we'll be getting into OOPS concept, or we'll be completing that Panda Skype in the next class. We'll be starting the OOPS concept by next week. I hope it's clear. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts? Let's do one more basic level program today, which is useful in some competitors. Guys, let's do one more programming, basic level programming. Because I'll be closing this NumPy topics for now, because I have already told you almost 3 to 4 topics, right? It will be similar. Can we go with some other topics of basic level programming? Guys, give me a reaction rate. Just raise your hand or thumbs up. All right. Thank you. Done. Okay, let's go with the programming concept. Right. Just one concept I'll be teaching today, and I'll leave you. Right. Let's take a leap. Once we complete one basic program, because just practice these programs, guys, it will be very useful for you. I'm telling you, you'll be remembering at some point, like we have learned it somewhere, because it are most repeated things. If these all concepts are completed, I'll teach you some projects related to this basic and advanced topics. Right. Let's go with basic level program, which is actually, which program can we go? Hashed number program. I think these are really new concepts to you, but I hope you are understanding them. Let's go with hashed number. It's like happy number. Let's go with hashed number program. Right. It is simple, guys. If a particular number is divisible the sum of its digits, guys, there's Himachal going on here, so that's why there's lots of disturbance. Please don't mind. If a number is divisible by the sum of its digits, right? Then it is said to be hashed number. For example, let's take 154, no, 156. So it should be divisible by the sum of these numbers. 6 plus 5, that is 11, plus 1, that is 12. So it is divisible, right? Then it is said to be hashed number. If it is not divisible, then it is said to be it's not, yeah, we don't consider it as a hashed number, right? Let's see the program for this. we are taking directly values. Num equals to 138 or 238 or 538. No, it's 538. Let's take. Enter. Them equals to sum. That means nothing but reminder equals to sum equals to 0. It should be 0. N equals to num. Why I am taking this is because we are copying this number and storing it in the variable n. Right. N equals to num. Enter. So now we have to calculate sum of the digits. Calculate sum of digits. While we are using while loop, most kind of repetition or these kind of values will be using while or if loop or elif. Got it? E greater than 0. So if number is greater than 0, reminder that is 10 equals to number 10 sum equals to sum plus reminder. Enter. Number equals to number by 10. What I have done, I have took a while loop where I have written number is, if number is greater than 0, then reminder equals to number which is divided by 10, where sum equals to sum plus reminder. What we get? Then that number equals to number by 10. Not number by 10, it's more. Enter. Now what we'll do, we'll check whether the number is divisible by the sum of the digits. So for this we'll be writing if percentile sum is equal to 0, then I'm asking it to print string of n. print string of n plus is a Hashtag number. Was asking it if sum is equals to 0, then I'm asking it to print string n plus is a hashed number, right? What we write in the else statement? Else we'll be writing print it as it's not an hashed number, right? Is not a hashed number, right? Now let's run this. I'm given inside. All right, let's run. Why it is showing again? These are important when we write this program. Oh my god. I've done lots of blunders today. Please don't mind. Oh my god. Print string open plus, yeah, there's an indentation error here. Let's do this. Indentation is correct, right? You can see here it is 538 is not a hashed number because 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, right? 16, when we divisible by 16, we get some remainder, right? It should be divisible by, and we should not get any remainder, it should be divisible. So here it will not happen like this. So it is not a hashed number. If I take, for example, if I take 120 here, what will happen? Let me check. Run. See this 120 is a hashed number. It has printed. This is how we'll be looking for hashed number, right? I hope you have understand this code. If you want, you can take a screenshot and you may leave. This is all for today. All right. See you in the next class. See you. Bye.